Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, welcome to my class. My name is Angga Putri Utami and you can call me Miss Tami. So, today we are going to learn about procedure text. Okay, our materials are first, definition of procedure text. Second, social function of procedure text. Third, the characteristic of procedure text. Fourth, a generic structure of procedure text, and the last example of procedure text. Well, class, before I give explanation what is procedure text, there are three types of procedure text. Let's see. First, procedure text or manual. It is a text that explains how to operate or use something. And the second, procedure text or tips. It is explain how to do an activity. And the last, procedure text or receipt. It is a text that explains how to make a food or beverage. Well, for the conclusion, procedure text is a text that explains how to make or to do something in sequence of action. Jadi, teks prosedur adalah sebuah teks yang menjelaskan bagaimana untuk melakukan atau membuat sesuatu dalam urutan suatu tindakan tertentu. Okay, next explanation about social function of procedure text. Let's see. Social function of procedure text is to inform the reader about how to do something in sequence of steps. But actually each type has its own function. Artinya, fungsi sosial dari teks prosedur adalah untuk menginformasikan kepada pembaca tentang bagaimana untuk melakukan sesuatu dalam urutan langkah-langkah tertentu. Tetapi biasanya setiap jenis teks prosedur mempunyai fungsi tersendiri. Okay, in procedure text or manual, it is have the function to inform the reader how to operate or use something. Artinya, teks prosedur yang manual mempunyai fungsi untuk menginformasikan kepada pembaca bagaimana untuk mengoperasikan atau menggunakan alat tertentu. For example, how to operate an electronic rice cooker. In procedure text or tips, it has a function to inform the reader how to do an activity. Next, in procedure text or receipt, it has a function to inform the reader how to make a food or beverage through a sequence of steps. For example, how to make fluffy pancake. Artinya, teks prosedur ataupun resep mempunyai fungsi untuk menginformasikan kepada pembaca bagaimana untuk membuat suatu makanan ataupun minuman dalam urutan cara yang tertentu. Okay class, before Miss continue to the next material, I think all of you understand what I mean. So, next, characteristic of procedure text atau ciri-ciri teks prosedur. First, using an imperative sentence patterns or command. Artinya menggunakan suatu kalimat perintah. For example, don't mix boil water and etc. And the next, using simple present tense atau menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama. Next, using action verb. For example, boil, stir, mix, put, and etc. Next, use adverbial of sequence. For example, for, second, third, the last. Using adverb. For example, slowly, carefully, etc. And the last, using connectives. For example, then, while, next, etc. Okay, next, generic structure. First, goal or aim. It is about the purpose of making or operating of something. For example, how to make spaghetti. Artinya, dalam teks prosedur tentunya pasti mempunyai suatu tujuan tertentu. Next, material or equipment. It is the consist of ingredients that are used in making something. For example, sugar, water, etc. And material ataupun bahan-bahan yang akan kita gunakan dalam proses pembuatan sesuatu. Next, methods or step. It contains the step or sequences that must be done from the first to the last. Dalam membuat teks prosedur ataupun dalam teks prosedur tentunya mempunyai cara-cara ataupun langkah-langkah yang harus kita ikuti dari pertama sampai selesai. Let's see. This is example of procedure text. Include the goal or aim, material or ingredients, and then step. Okay, you can see materials. First, 2 slices of bread. Second, cheddar cheese, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, tomatoes, and lettuce. For the steps, first, place a slice of bread on the plate. Second, put the tomato sauce. Third, add salad, sliced tomatoes, cheddar cheese, mayonnaise, and tomato sauce. After that, add lettuce leaf. Then, put a slice of bread on the top, and finally, serve it. Okay, this is example. Include the goal or aim, material or ingredients, and the last characteristic of procedure text. Okay class, I think all of you understand what I mean. So let's see. This is some question for your homework. Please do it in your home, and if you finish, please send it to my email. And then if you have any question, please ask me in our WhatsApp group. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.